Yo, what's up everybody, it's your boy JREXG. Woke up, literally just came out like 5 minutes or less than 5 minutes ago as of this recording, as I just press record right now. And if you guys already seen my reaction to the first listen, you already know I'm gonna be liking this. They really killed the rap section, especially the singing middle section too, where they're like, can I sing rap? That was pretty fire. So now let's put the audio to the visual. We already know the visual is gonna be popping off just based on the teasers, just based on like the concept, the costumes, just what they're wearing, and just like everything. Actually just do it different. You already know. Well, without further ado, well, before I get into this, be sure to check out my Patreon. While Dre's having a moment, be sure to check out my Patreon. We watch shows. Currently we're watching Going 17, so be sure to subscribe, become a member. Hope to see you there. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's begin. I don't know. It seems like they were wolves, so I don't even know what they were. Like, oh, turn that up. Ooh, oh. So was, oh, sorry for pausing, but also not sorry because this is my channel at the same time. But go check out the whole music video link in the description. But it seems like Coconut had her hair, so she shaved it during the music video.
Yeah. Been here waiting, looking at him, trying to catch up, take it how you wanna take it. Left the place in panic, left.
Jordan, always the way she starts, it just goes in, especially with the beat. My God, that beat go hard.
Yeah, I've been here waiting, looking at him, trying to catch up, take it how you wanna take it. Woo. Left the place in panic, left to take another planet, left to make another statement. Catch up, take it how you wanna take it. Left the place in panic, left to take another planet, left to make another statement. XG, baby, say the name, so I spell it out so you can learn it. Cause metal ties when it's turning, cause metal fire when it's burning. Yeah, made it work for us, made it, but we had to work for it.
Okay, Harvey.
Work so perfect that it hurt, don't it? Surf for
bro, the outfits they always come
right
with is
away,
so
right
different.
Away, cause we had the right away. Bye, 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 fine pass.
Ooh, that change up. The outfit change up.
I wanna hop up out of this plane. Look at my fit right now when I just walked out of my bed.
Hey, hey.
Fix my hair, fix my makeup on the way. Bound to the next stop, bound for the grain, make 'em bow down to the X.
Hey.
A little more than ordinary, honorary, underestimated, leaving all.
God damn, they would just come in. They are not here to play. They definitely one of the better rappers out here, bro.
For the grain, make 'em bow down to the X. A little more than ordinary, honorary, underestimated, leaving all you broke. I'm the judge and jury, I don't wanna hear it. I'm the one that fear and keep it on. Automated, I'm the motivator. Told my haters, yo, mother barrier. I'm entertainment, fascinated. I'm just laughing cause it's so hilarious. Little girl with a big mouth, smoke with a big house, yeah. Big watch on her wrist now, I just started out
for real
just now. Put a little more down for the bucks.
You know what? She got a really nice shaped head, to be honest. For like about, you know, not everybody got a nice shaped head, but Coconut, she really do. She really pulling. Oh, and the crown's coming on top of her.
Everything custom now. Friends rushing out, security had to push me out.
But what's damn, the grills really be grilling for real. But like she was really rapping while shaving that hair off. My God.
Big watch on the wrist now. I just started that flow now, just now. Put a little more down for the bus down. Went on tour when I bust into the bus down. Everything custom now. Friends rushing out, security had to push me out. 48 laws of power, let her go with a big motor on a kid though.
Bro, you know what Julian looks like a little bit with that red hair? What's that character, Hedgen, from Chainsaw Man? Y'all know who I'm talking about from Chainsaw Man. The redhead character with the hair like, kind of like a ponytail, kind of short hair. She a boss. Anyways, Jordan gives me that energy right here.
Rushing out, security had to push me out. 48 laws of power, let her go with a big motor on a kid though. Watch me rip though, watch me snap like Motorola flip phone. Just hard on an intro, bring that bounce like 6-4. Find me in Tokyo, rapping in a skirt. I catch my drift though. Woke up looking like this, so don't get under my skin. Woke up looking like this.
Hinata though. Makima, that's who she reminds me of. First of all, also going back to Hinata, let's go rewind on Hinata. Oh my God.
Find me in Tokyo, rapping in a skirt. I catch my drift though. Woke up looking like this, so don't get under my skin. Woke up looking like this.
Hey, she looking like an alien. I love it.
Woke up looking like this, so don't get under my skin.
Always on point with this.
Yeah, life flex go easy. Tag it up, graffiti, drop a pin the addy, that's where I go. Rip the show and that's all I know, I'm supervision. Y'all just built on superstitions, watch me do Everything, everywhere, all at once, all the time. Woke up looking like this, so don't get under my skin. XGALX, and that's the name of the shit.
Bruh, they really on a different level.
So don't make fun of my kids.
What the hell?
Your family stand tall now, so don't talk down to my kids.
Hey,
welcome to the party, floating like it's Mardi Gras.
Harvey.
You can call me Harvey, but I'm not your Barbie doll.
Hey,
party, party, ha.
You can call me Harvey, but I'm not your Barbie doll. Hey,
Laughing at him when we blast away. Black on black on black, outfits all packed away, packed away. C to the LC, oh that's me, Lord have mercy. Young queen, but I act like an onion.
God damn, they all really come with a freaking fire. Oh my
Young blood,
god.
but I'm built like an OG. Yeah. Gotta lift weight for the bags. Looking real fit for the mags. No wolf in the pack.
Hey.
So it's just wolf in the tag. Woke up looking like this, so don't get under my skin. Woke up looking like this.
Woke up looking like this, so don't get under my skin. Hey,
woke up looking like this.
they on attack mode. That's what they are. Whew. Hey, 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 get it, get it, get it. Oh my god, this is just the beginning too, y'all. This is just the beginning. Woke up. A shout to executive producers. Lyrics by Chancellor Jacob, Jay Young and Lyrics. Wait, hold up. Jay Young and Lyrics? Hold up. Hold up. You tell me the Youngs worked on the lyrics too? Damn. I can now hear. Okay, shout out. Choreography by Sienna Lalau. Damn. They really got hitters in here, bro. Respect. XG, I tell you, they're doing it different. Okay, so I do like everything about it. But I think I have a favorite part. I have to say my favorite part. Everything is fire. Right here. We're just like bouncing. Hey.
Look at my fit right now when I just walked out of my bed. Fix my hair and fix my makeup on the way.
Woo.
Bound to the next stop, bound for the grain, make 'em bow down to the X. A little more than ordinary.
But oh my god, every part of this, they came out here to attack. Full guns blazing, blades out, fangs out, bro.
Honorary, underestimated, leaving all you broke. I'm the judge and jury, I don't wanna hear it. I'm the one that fear and keep it on the low. This is automated, I'm the motivator. Told my haters, y'all more the merrier. Y'all my entertainment, fascinated. I'm just laughing cause it's so hilarious. Little girl with a big
God damn.
mouth, smoke with a big house, yeah. Big watch on the wrist now, I just started that flow now, just now. Put a little more down for the bus down. Went on tour, when I bust into the bus down. Everything custom now. Friends rushing out, security had to push me out. Laws of power, let her go with a big.
Yeah, right here. She gave me Makima. Is that her name? Makima vibes. A little bit. I don't know. That could just be me.
Motor on a kid though. Watch me rip though. Watch me snap like Motorola flip phone. I wanna hit you this hard on an intro. Bring that bounce like 6'4". Find me in Tokyo, rapping in a skirt. Are you catching my drift though? Woke up looking like this, so don't get under my skin.
He not the part, like the visual part for her. Oh my god.
Woke up looking like this, so don't
It go
get under my skin.
crazy.
Woke up looking like this. Yeah.
Wait, hold up. Before I keep on going, the way that Juden just snapped in the beginning too. First of all, again, I like to say the beat go hard.
Yeah, I've been here waiting, looking at him, trying to catch up, take it how you wanna take it.
Woo.
Left to place and panic, left to take another planet, left to make another statement. XG, baby, say the names right, spell it out so you can learn it. Cause metatize when it's turning, cause metafile when it's burning. Until we all made it work
like every
for us.
part
Made it, but we had to work for it.
is memorable to me.
So perfect that it hurt, don't it? Surf on them, right away, cause we had the
Even
right away.
freaking Harvey's like outfit too, where it just changes to.
Ooh,
Woo, hey. Okay, hold up. And then even the ending too.
Y'all just built on super flex, go easy. Don't get under my skin. Woke up looking like this. Yeah. Life flex, go easy. Tag it
They
up,
all look like they
feed,
the
drop
final
up in
boss
that,
of something,
that's where I
bro.
go. Rip the show and that's all I know. I'm supervision. Y'all just built on superstations. Watch me do everything, everywhere, all at once, all the time, all around the world. Woke up looking like this.
Hey.
Don't get under my skin.
Hey.
XGALX, and that's the name of the shit. Damn mother wolf, so don't make fun of my kids. We all family stand tall now, so don't talk down to my kids. Hey,
The earrings too.
to the party, floating like it's Mardi Gras. Yeah,
Harvey.
you can call me
Harvey,
but
but
I'm
you not your Bobby doll yet.
Party, Laughing at him while we blast away. Black on black on black outfits all packed away. Packed away.
Then she just kills it. Coconut?
B to the LC, oh that's me, Lord have mercy. Young queen better act like an onion. But I'm built like an OG.
Hey.
Wait for the bags. Looking real fit for the mags. Cinnamon wolf in the bag. So it's just wolf in the tag.
Woke up looking like this.
Hey.
Don't get under my skin.
Nope.
Woke up looking like this. Woke up looking like this. So don't get under my skin.
We need more.
Woke up looking
We need
like
more.
this.
I know I just came out, but the rap, the audio stuff I already love, but with the visual, they looking like final bosses to their own like domain, bruh. And then when they come together, destruction. Sheesh. God damn, that's crazy. That is crazy. Woke up. Put a comments down below what you guys think of XG's Woke Up. Put a comments down below of what you think about XG in general. I'm waiting for the North America dates to drop. I need to go check them out. I need to get them tickets. I'm being real. But like this video, share this video, and subscribe. It's your boy Dre. Be sure to check out the Patreon. Shout out to everybody. Go check out the link in the description to the official music video. Go stream it. Go support. Damn. Woke up feeling like this. Sheesh.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.